I am Tarun and welcome back to another episode of KashHeroes. And today I'm going to show you how to make do-it-yourself DIY bookmarks. Okay? My mom always sends me math problems to solve on a page, and I keep losing them. And I will spend so much time searching. That's just a waste of time, right? So now I found bookmarks. So I'm going to show you how to make them. Okay, all you need, I'm doing 3 types of bookmarks. First, the watermelon. I really love that. Then the frog. And the last one is the heart. Okay? What you need is 10 by 10 paper like this I have. And you need to fold it in a triangle like this. Okay? Make sure there's no excess bits. And it should be a perfect square like this. It should be perfect. Okay? So we need to fold it in a triangle, and then we need to put this we need to do like this. There. This is the steps that see that we need to put down to make it very easy. Yeah, this is enough. Otherwise we'll light it on fire. Okay, so we need to fold like this. It's got to be like this, and it's got to be point. Mine has 2 points. So, okay, that's good. That's very good. Okay, we're looking for the 2 points in this one as well. See this point and this point? Exactly that. So now, after folding, we need to do this. And we need to put this like here. Okay. So we need to put this inside this pocket over here. Same thing for the other one. Okay. I'm just going to put it inside. Draw like this for a watermelon. And we need to cut it with a scissor. And my mom gave me the scissor. Okay. There. I got myself a watermelon. Yes, I am excited. Very excited. Look, I got fruit. Okay, I feel like eating it, but I know I can't. Because it's made of paper. It's a 10 by 10 square. And it's color paper. And this is too thick. Okay, look. Now I'm going to make the skin. So, okay, the watermelon skin is green. So I choose green. Look, I marked on the line. See? Now I'm going to cut my mark. Let me finish that off. There we go. And now we should cut the marks. Okay, you don't need my help. You can do your mom. You can ask your mom, or if you want to do the cutting part, because I always want to cut things. Now I got the watermelon skin, so just now I need to stick it. Okay. I got my glue stick out, so give me this. Okay, after sticking, it will look like this. But watermelon has seeds. So you need to take a black marker. This is just a whiteboard marker. And so we need to write only a few seeds. Okay. Okay, one seed there, one seed there. After making the seeds, it will look like this. And yes, this is the king seed. More attractive, I'm putting googly eyes. See, this is how it will look after sticking the googly eyes. Okay? But there's one more thing to do. Write a smiley mouth. Okay? No, not the black marker. Definitely no. I'm going to show you how to use a bookmark. So, I have a book and I stopped in this page over here. Okay? So, take two pages. Yeah, I got two and put like this. Yes. Wait. This. Like this. So, like this you have to fix. Okay? So they say, "Hello, Mr. Watermelon. How are you?" And the watermelon will say, "I'm fine."